Rihanna shuts down red carpet and sheer Chanel flaunts baby bump for Smurfs premiere. Get ready, Navy. Rihanna just reminded everyone why she's a fashion icon, stepping out with $8 AP Rocky for the Smurfs world premiere in Brussels on Saturday, June 28th, and putting her baby bump front and center in an absolutely breathtaking custom Chanel gown. This isn't just any red carpet look. The nine-time Grammy winner, 37, wore a flowing ensemble featuring a sheer midsection that perfectly highlighted her growing bump. According to Chanel, this celadon green silk chiffon top and skirt took an astonishing 840 hours to create. Embellished with sequins, crystals, and feathers, this haute couture masterpiece was inspired by Chanel's Spring 2003 collection and completed with a tone-on-tone organza and feather camellia, plus jeweled buttons. Rihanna first revealed she and $8 AP Rocky 36 are expecting their third child together at the Met Gala in May. Now she's gracing the Smurfs' debut alongside Rocky, who complimented her stunning look in a striped button-up, tie, baggy black trousers, and shades. The power couple are already proud parents to sons RZA 3 and Riot 1. Their Brussels appearance comes hot on the heels of their return to Paris Fashion Week on June 27th for the Dior Homme Menswear Spring/Summer 2026 show. Before that, they were turning heads at the Cannes Film Festival for the premiere of Rocky's film Highest to Lowest on May 19th. And yes, you heard that right, Rihanna is starring as Smurfette in the new Smurfs movie. Her character leads the Smurfs into the real world on a mission to rescue Papa Smurf and discover what defines their destiny to save the universe. The star-studded cast also includes James Corden, Nick Offerman, Daniel Levy, and many more. Plus, fans can expect new music from Riri on the soundtrack, following her May release of Friend of Mine. Mark your calendars. Smurfs hits theaters on Friday, July 18. What do you think of Rihanna's show-stopping red carpet moment and her big role as Smurfette?